Are you tired of battling acne? Those frustrating breakouts and stubborn blackheads can really take a toll on your confidence. What if I told you there's a way to reclaim your skin's natural glow? Meet Zinamax, a revolutionary acne supplement that tackles skin issues from the inside out. This isn't just another product to clutter your shelf, it's a powerful blend of natural ingredients designed to fight the root causes of blemishes. With key components like Lactoferrin, known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, Zinamax helps reduce inflammation and clear up your skin. Imagine seeing healthier, clearer skin in just a month. Plus, it hydrates deeply, heals existing blemishes, and balances oil production to prevent new ones. Users like Piotr and Anna have shared their amazing transformations, fading scars, smoother complexions, and boosted confidence. If you're ready to say goodbye to acne and hello to a radiant complexion, Zinamax could be the game-changer you've been looking for.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.